Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In the United States, Kit Kat is made by H.B. Reese, which is a division of Hershey. Although Rowntree's trademarked the name in 1911, it didn't begin producing the four-finger bar until 1935. Nestle produces Kit Kats in 16 countries, including Canada, Australia, Germany, Russia, Japan, and India. 11 March 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The palm kernel oil in Kit Kat is high in saturated fat and is used to prolong shelf life and stability of the product. Ingesting high amounts of these fats can lead to cardiovascular issues, diabetes and obesity. 2 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Conscious of disrupting a loyal fanbase, the product came out of an employee suggestion that the company make a chocolate bar that a man could take to work. The company launched a new bar in a blue wrapper using the name Kit Kat, which the chocolate crisp had carried as a nickname since 1937.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Kit Kat is a very popular chocolate-covered wafer candy that is high in fat, calories and carbohydrates in the form of sugar. Health challenges can occur with regular long-term ingestion. However, eating a Kit Kat once in a while will most likely not cause any major health issues. 2 February 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.